Good morning! Kakatapos ko lang panoorin yung video nung meet-up ni Judy, yung gawa ni Jason Magbanyo tayo, I think so. Grabe, umiyak ako. Natawanan ako ni Daddy. Ba't ka umiiyak? Na-feel ko lang yung emotion niya na I feel so proud of her kahit naman hindi ko siya kaano-ano. yung feeling niya, yung feeling ni Mama no, nung meron silang escort, napanood niya na ba kasi? Baka hindi niya i-get si sinasabi ko, nung may escort sila, sila makapaniwala na may escort sila papalabas. Tapos naiiyak si Mama Nini. Doon ako para medyo na mas talagang naiyak. Kasi umpisa parang naiiyak na ako eh. What is a tail? Hindi pa rin magaling yung mata ni Zeb. Kailan kaya gagaling yun? Ano namin? Anyway, so yung... I'm so touched. I don't know why. Pero binasa ko naman yung comments. Lahat naman nung nababasa ko sa comments, nag-iyakan sila. So, I'm not the only one. It's talaga sobrang babaw lang yung luha ko. Pinatatawa na lang ako ni Daddy. Baby chick. Ay, nako. Anyways, kakatapos na namin mag-breakfast. Eggs, bread, cheese. That's it. Ha? 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 Say hi! Wait! Say hi! Ha? 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 Ooh! Ano pa lang? 10, 20. Magluluto ako maya-maya. Munggo kami today. So, yun. Grabe. I want to have that palette kasi ang mahal. $24. Siguro pag, diba, gusto ko yung both eh. Yung lip and cheek, lip and eyeshadow. Siguro pag kinonvert yun dito mga 75. Yung dalawang yun. So, we'll see. Hello guys! Mag-alas 12 na and I'm still cooking. Medyo late ako nagsimula magluto. In-underestimate ko masyado eh. Diba, medyo matagal magpakulo ng what you call this? Munggo. But anyway, it's almost done. Pero kasi magpiprito din ako ng liempo. Dahil 2 pack ng pork belly yung binili ko. Masyado marami. Piprito ko ng isa. So, yung isang pack. So, 2 yung laman niyang pork belly. So, yun. Ngayon ko pa lang siya pinalalambot. Kasi kanina dalawang kalan yung gamit ko. Wala na akong paglulutuan. So, yes. It's gonna be a late lunch. But okay lang kasi medyo marami-rami naman nakain ng breakfast. While waiting, ako ay maglilinis muna ng kusina. It's so... The floor is dirty. So, yes. Hindi ko feel na Monday. Parang feeling ko weekend. Kasi nga nandito rin yung mga housemate namin. Parang weekend. But it's a holiday. So, yun. Pecha na mga bes. Grabe, oh. 2:20 na. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Ano ba yan? Ano to? Masyado akong ginanahan. Ay, talaga pagka nasimulan ko na ginanahan ako, hindi papaawa. So, nagdinis ako, nagsala ako labada, nagdinis ako ng CR, ng toilet. So, toilet and bath. Ayun, tapos, pagkatapos kong maglinis, naligo na ako. Siyempre, ayoko kumain ng madumi, galing ako sa linis. So, naligo ako. Pagkaligo ko, pagkatapos ko maligo, mga 1 o'clock na. So, nap time nung dalawa. Pinadede ko, tinabihan ko na. Tapos, ayun, ngayon lang ako nakabangon, 2:20. Di pa kami kumakain pareho ni Daddy. Sabi ko, Daddy, bili mo kalamansi. Kasi, gusto ko sausawan ng pork belly or liempo. Patis kalamansi. So, So, nagpunta siya doon sa grocery na everyday pinupuntahan ko. Wala. Pumunta siya sa grocery sa mall. Dalawa yung grocery sa mall na yun. Pero lagi lang ako doon sa pinupuntahan ko yung Giant. Kasi yung sa isang grocery, parang mas mahal yung presyo nila doon eh. Yung cold storage. So, hindi ako madalas pumunta doon. But anyway, pinuntahan pareho ni Daddy yun. Wala daw. Ngayon, kakatext nilang wala. Tapos nagpapatingin ako ng coffee bun. Sana bukas na yung bakery na yun. So, kahit man lang yung coffee bun, matuloy na ngayon. So, yun. Kakainis naman. Gusto ko masusarap yung kain ko pag may sausawan ng patis kalamansi eh. Pero I no choice. Anyway, so, magsasampay muna ako para sabay kami kumain ni Daddy. So, yun. Doktor tuloy ako kanina. Ay, I'm gonna do a quickie. Pangatang hair ko. I'm gonna do a quickie. A quickie me time habang si Zach nagising na. Tinry ko pa din, hindi na natulog ulit. Tapos naghaayang lumabas. So, nilabas siya ni Daddy. So, habang sila ni Daddy ay nasa labas, ako ay magme-merienda kahit kakatapos ko lang mag-lunch. Hindi ko talaga binusugo yung sarili ko kanina sa kanin. Although, ang dami ko nakain. Kasi, gusto ko na kumain ng coffee bun. Kasi, diba, ilang araw na ako nagkikrave ng coffee bun. So, I'm gonna have it right now. Plus, yung aking natitirang Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Konting-konti na lang yan. So, si Zeb tulog pa eh. So, yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Tapos, I'm gonna enjoy the cool breeze. Ang sarap ng hangin. Ang lamig ng hangin. Kahit na it's, ano oras na? 3:30 ba? 3:30. And, watch YouTube. This is life. This is life for me now. Baka ganitong, ano lang, kung mga nakaw na sandali lang na I have my food. Tapos, I have my YouTube and all. Kontento na ako, char. So, yeah. Let's eat, guys. Okay, next activity, magni-nail polish ako. This is from Bobby. Yan, sa Pinas ko pa ito nabili. Tapos, I have my quick dry, top coat, and quick dry from Dysa. Still, na-miss ko na mag-white nail polish. Pero, hindi to ganun ka-white na white, eh. Tsaka, hindi siya ganun ka-opaque. Pero, pagtsagaan. And, I'm still watching. Right now, I'm watching yung ano nila, Q&A. I'm done. Yeah, medyo matino-tino yung pagkalagay ko today. I love it. Kaso hindi ko masyado bet yung pagka-white niya eh. Parang dirty white. And then the other side. Kahit yung right side, medyo maayos-ayos. So, in fairness, I'm so proud of myself. Except for this one. Wait, ayan. Nung nilalagyan ko ng tawag dyan, quick dry. Kainis. Mamaya na yan. Hi, babies! Oh, it's my baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Later. Hey! Hi, Zeb. Still swollen eye. Oh! Uy! Oh, hi! Right! Yeah! What is this? What's that? Oh, are you wiping it? Thank you! Oh, sleepy baby! Sleepy baby! Uy! Shy! Thank you for wiping, Zach. Yay, maayos pa rin nails ko. Sana hindi agad masira. Focus. Oh no. It's cold?
Yeah.
Ang lakas ang hangin. Kanina ang araw. Ngayon, uulan na naman. Mag-aalas 5 pa lang. And yun, ang hangin-hangin. At ako magluluto ng popcorn. Zeb, do you want popcorn? Huh? You're gonna cook popcorn?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Here.
Yeah, here. No, I'm gonna get another pot. So, yeah, wait lang. We're gonna do activity?
Yeah.
Okay. This book is about matching. Look inside. See?
Crayons.
Yeah, you have to match the sizes.
No, crayons.
Yeah, you match the size. Which is see, where does it match? Which one is the same from this side? Look at this.
This one.
Which one is the same size here?
This one.
Okay, so you match the line. Draw a line from here. Look, from here. Draw a line. There you go. Okay, you match it. Where's the matching part? This side.
This one.
Yes, okay, draw a line. Yeah. What is this? A jeep. Jeep. That's a jeep.
Jeep.
Very good. And what's that?
No.
A van.
A van.
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 Where's the van?
That one.
Okay, draw a line. Very good. Good job, Zeb. Wow, this one we need to count.
Numbers.
Yeah, numbers. We need to count it. Okay, how many? Count this. How many flowers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, where's the number 7?
That one.
Okay, you match it. Yes. How about this one?
1.
1. Find the number 1.
That one.
Okay, match it. Draw a line. Yeah. Oh, this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, where's number 5?
Down.
Yeah,
Down.
good job.
Down.
It's down there, so you need to draw a line and match. Go, draw a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. How about this 2?
1,
3. Go.
1, 2, 3.
Match the number 3.
That one.
Yeah. Go, 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 go. Ooh. Last one. How many?
5. 5.
No, this one is 5. You need to count it.
9.
You're so clever. Okay.
Nine.
Let's count. Let's see if it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
Okay, count and match.
That.
Yay! Next, you need to match the shadows. Shadows.
What's my shadow? What's my shadow?
Shadow. Match the shadow.
What's my shadow? What?
What's that?
Ants.
Ant. Find the shadow. Like the shadow of the ant. Where is it? This one. This side.
This one.
Okay, match it. Yes, very good. Whoa. Oh, where's the shadow? What's this?
Butterfly.
Find the shadow of the butterfly.
That one.
Oh, is it that one? Look. Look at the wings. Is it the same?
No.
No. Find the shadow of the butterfly. Look. Which one is the shadow of the butterfly?
That one.
Good job. Oh. Very good. What's this?
Big one.
Big line. What is this?
Honey.
Bee. Where's the shadow of the bee?
That
one. Yes, good job. Go, match. How about the last one? What is this?
No.
It's a dragonfly.
The dragonfly.
Where's the shadow of the
Dragonfly. What are alien?
What the hell? Yeah. Say properly.
Blue dragonfly.
I'll find the shadow of the dragonfly.
Blue dragonfly.
Blue dragonfly.
Yeah.
Find the shadow.
That one.
Yeah, go. Line. One more. Okay, resyado na guys. It's time to eat. Ay, papakainin ko yung dalawa. Si Zeb naka almost 20 pages siya dun sa ano.
Mine.
Sa libro. Yun yung libro binili ko dati sa bookstore. Sabihin ko library. Sa bookstore.
Mine.
Yun, almost 20 pages. In-skip ko lang yung ibang page na merong words. Ima-match mo yung object sa word. Kasi hindi pa naman siya nakabasa. Yeah, anyway, so I'm just gonna heat up our munggo and yeah, it's time to eat. Hi guys! Nakatapos ko lang pakainin yung dalawa. It's alas 8 na. Grabe, ang tagal. Yeah, pinapaliguan naman sila ni Daddy. So I'm gonna take this time to watch TV all by myself at sa gusto kong channel. Which is, we'll see. Anong pala ba sa GMA? Hanggang today na lang iba to or bukas. Yung libreng libre yung mga channels. Anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my siguro 15 minutes by myself. And then after, we're gonna eat naman ni Daddy. Gabing-gabi na, nagbabay ka pa. Come here. Go! Yung isa doon, busy bricks. Play bricks. Anyway, it's 9 o'clock na and si Daddy. Second survey. Third. Nagtatalo ba kami sa natirang kanin? Turuan ko sino mag-uubos. Anyways, I'm just gonna end the vlog. Stop. Yun, last 9 na. Sinabi ko na yata. So, yun. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Come here. Bye-bye. Good night. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Say bye, Zeb. Say bye.
Bye.